In this tutorial, we will assemble the US Digital E2 optical kit encoder. The E2 kit includes an encoder mounting base, a cover, the encoder module, a hub disk assembly, 2 assembly screws, a spacer tool, a centering tool, and a hex tool. You may receive packaging with the hub disks in a large tray such as this, and the encoder modules may be in a tube like this, or for small quantities in a small anti-static bag. Your hex tool may be a larger driver, or it may be a small Allen key like this. You'll also notice that I am wearing rubber gloves to protect the optical disc, as well as an ESD strap. So let's get started with step 1, installing the mounting base. For this step, we'll be using the centering tool with the smaller end of the tool pointed down towards the motor. Push down on the centering tool until it makes contact with the base. For this step, you will provide your own mounting screws. In this case, I'm using 2 440 screws. And with light pressure, pressing down on that centering tool, we're going to tighten these screws down to 4 to 6 inch-pounds. Center tool can then be removed and used for later installations. In step 2, we will install the hub disk assembly. We'll be using the spacer tool, applying it to the mounting base to set the gap for the disk. And the E2 will use the hub disk assembly with the set screw located above the disk. For step 3, we're going to tighten this set screw to 2 to 3 inch-pounds while maintaining downward pressure on the hub disk assembly. And then remove the spacer tool for use with later installations. In step 4, we're going to install the optical module. For the E2, this thinner portion of the module will be pointed down towards the mounting base, and you'll notice these 2 holes which will fit into these 2 pins on the mounting base. So we can slide this in and clip it down into place. And the last step will be applying the cover using the 2 provided screws. These will be tightened down 2 to 4 inch-pounds. And your E2 encoder is now ready for use. If you have any additional assembly questions, please contact our technical support team at 360-397-9999 or email support@usdigital.com.